In this video, we're going to be learning how to use ChatGPT in our Kali Linux terminal for completely free. Whether you want to write code, execute shell command, or generate an image, you can do it from the terminal only. So let's see how to do this on our Kali Linux. So I'm in my Kali Linux right now. The first thing I will do is open my browser and go to google.com and type tgpt github. Click on the first link. This is the official GitHub repository. While you're on this page, click on code. Under HTTPS, copy the link and then open your terminal. I will change to the desktop directory. So inside the desktop directory, I will type git clone space, paste the link and press enter, and the repository will be downloaded into your desktop. So I will go inside the directory. Inside the tgpt directory, I can see that there is a file called install. We need to install this file. So type the command sudo space /install and press enter. And tgpt will be installed in your system. So what is tgpt? tgpt stands for terminal GPT. With tgpt, you can use ChatGPT directly into your terminal. So first, let's see the help menu with the command tgpt space --help and press enter, and I can see I get the help menu. These are all the options that we can use with tgpt. So let's go over these options one by one. The first thing that we are going to try is an information based query. So type the command tgpt space in double quotation whatever your question is or whatever you want to know. Suppose I will type what is Kali Linux. This is basically the same prompt that you would have typed in ChatGPT. And as you can see, I get a very detailed output on what Kali Linux is. It is also very useful when you're doing your day-to-day task. Suppose if you want to install the Tor browser on Kali Linux but you do not know how to. So what you can do is type tgpt space in double quotation ask how to install Tor browser in Kali Linux. And I can see I get the step-by-step installation process. You can copy the command one by one and paste it in your terminal to install the Tor browser. Now let's see how we can generate a code in the terminal. So type tgpt space -c, C stands for code, space in double quotation. Type the code that you want to generate. I will type write a simple program from in Python, and tgpt has generated a program which will print the hello world. You can do this for other programming languages too. And I'm doing these simple programs for demonstration purposes only. You can do much more complex programs. Next, let's see how we can execute shell command directly into our terminal. So type tgpt space -s for shell space in double quotation. Suppose you have forgotten the command which lists the directory and the files including the hidden ones. And I can see this is the command that has been generated. If I press Y, the command will be automatically executed, and I can see the list of the directories and the files including the hidden ones. Finally, let's see how to generate pictures, and for that we're going to type tgpt space --img for image space in double quotation. I will type a cat wearing a suit and wait for the images to get generated. And I can now confirm that the images are generated into the current directory. If I give a ls, I can see I have a folder called a cat wearing a suit. So I will go inside the folder, and I have 9 images generated for me. I will open this, and I can see pictures of cats wearing a suit. So this is how to use ChatGPT in your Kali Linux terminal.